Outstanding Performance in Social Sciences, Leadership Awardee. Second place overall TV News Production Regional Schools Press Conference 2023. First place overall TV News Production Cluster Secondary Schools Press Conference. First place Best Script. First place Best Technical Application. First place Best News Presenter. Second place Best Anchor. Second place overall TV News Production Divisional Secondary Schools Press Conference. First place Best Anchor. Second place Best Script. Second place Best News Presenter. Third place Best Development Communication. Third place Best Technical Application. And he will also receive the Philippine Senate Gold Medal for Academic Excellence.